Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix printer error 0x000003e3 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the printer error 0x000003e3 on your Windows 10 and 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, I will recommend you to restart both your printer and your PC. After restarting your both printer and PC, try the second method. Just click on the start menu, then type here troubleshoot. You can see a troubleshoot setting. Just click on that. After that, you can see here other troubleshooters. Just click on that. Just click on the run. After clicking the run, guys, you need to wait for some time, detect the problem. Guys, after completion of this process, just close this and close this window. Try the third method. Just click on the start menu, then type here services. Click on the services. In this, you need to find print spooler. Just type on P. After pressing the P key, you need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here print spooler. Just double click on that. You can see here startup type. If it is selected as default, disabled or manual, you need to select as automatic. For selecting automatic, just click on start and click on apply and click OK. And close this window. After doing these settings, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix printer error 0x000003e3 on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.